Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish. They are playing. How can they play? I watch you. This is the beautiful scenery. This is the beautiful scenery. Whoa. They're playing well. MashaAllah. Looking good. I want to watch you. This one. Looking good. Oh, I want to watch you another one. This is green color. Taking rest. MashaAllah. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. Looking good. Playing well. This one is off-white. Oh, they are playing well. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Looking good. Take care. Whoa. They're playing well. Hey, yeah. They're, they're playing well. There are some colorful fish. Looking good. Oh, yes. Marvelous. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wonderful scenery. I want to watch. Oh, you. This is looking good. MashaAllah. Playing well. Here is one. Looking good. Playing well. Oh. Looking good. MashaAllah. Playing well. Wow. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. There are some colorful fish are playing well. MashaAllah. Looking good. Beautiful scenery. This is beautiful scenery. Oh, yes. They're playing well. MashaAllah. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.